Here I have cut the vegetables in huge slices, and I'm going to make it in a form of a pyramid, as you will see in the later video. Here I am starting to make the masalas, in which I've added all the dry masalas and some lemon, and to which I will add even some olive oil. These are the masalas that are going to go and cook with the vegetables. Now to begin with, first we are going to layer with the coriander leaves. You can even add coriander leaves, spinach, any kind of herbs of your choice. And then comes the onion, then the potatoes. Basically, this is how you're going to layer the vegetables when you're going to cook in the Tagine. Now I'm almost done with my sauce. Now this is what I'm going to add to the vegetables. Now my Tagine is almost ready to go on the stove. Now for the sauce, I have added some honey, and this is a special sauce called harissa sauce, which is a ready-made one. It is something like a Szechuan sauce, which we generally have it in our kitchens. And now I've added some honey, some garlic cloves, vinegar, some paprika, and now it's ready. Now this is sesame oil, in which I'm going to saute my tofu. Now I'm going to coat my tofu with the cornstarch. As you can see, I've sliced and kept them. You can even take chicken instead of tofu, or even paneer if you wish to. But tofu was great with the vegetables. If you want to try, you could. As you can see, there's smoke coming out of the vegetables, and the flavors were like awesome. So here I'm getting ready with my sauteing the tofu with the sauce that I prepared. So this is almost done, and as I told you, you can replicate this with chicken if you're a non-vegetarian, and if you like paneer, you can go with paneer. Now I'm going to add the tofu to the vegetables. At this stage we will lower the heat and let it simmer till the water completely evaporates.